Welcome back. The coastal police outpost at Akshi Jetty on Sunday seized 6 trawlers from Kanyakumari which were allegedly found fishing in Goan waters. This incident has now revealed the paralysed and haphazardous surveillance of the coastal police outposts in the state. The Goan fishermen and trawler owners have expressed fear of terrorist infiltration if the jetties are overlooked in this manner.
The 6 seized trawlers were reportedly unloading fish onto the Kothali jetty on Sunday. A vigilant trawler owner informed this to the coastal police outpost at Akshi. The agent handling these trawlers was caught by a group of trawler owners. But surprisingly, when the Akshi police handed over the custody of the suspect to the coastal outpost, one of the constables named Harikant let the suspect free. The trawler owners group has completely lost faith in the Akshi coastal police outpost following this incident.
ह्या आता 3 वर्सां जाली चलता कंटिन्यू 3 वर्सां जाली आणि 3 वर्सां जाली आमी सगळ्याचेर हें करता पण कोणूच एक्शन घेयना. तुमचो डिमांड कितें आसा? आमचो डिमांड आहा ते आतां स्पीड बोट्स आनी ह्यो पळय आउटसायडर्स पळय बोटी येता तांकां बंद स्टॉप करपाचें. कोस्टल पुलिसाचो पळय आहा तेणेन कितें म्हटल्यार आमी हे सायडीन येता म्हटल्यार तेणेन त्या मनशाक सोडून दिलो. ते म्हणटा आमी नायट टायम पेट्रोलिंग करिना. जरी तो ते नायट टायम पेट्रोलिंग करिना असल्यानी टेररिस्ट येवन सगळें गोंय कवर करून वयतले.
Ironically, the PI of Akshi Coastal Police Outpost blames it on staff shortage.
कंट्रोल आता 3 दीस जाले भायले बोटी हांच्यांनी तांकां विचारूंक बसून ना हांच्यांनी तांची खबर घेतल्या. आता आमी हांच्या नोटिसेक आयल्या हांची आता यंत्रणा घट जावंक लागल्या.
टॉकेर पळय आसा ते फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटान एक्चुअली मनीस आसपाक जाय. कित्याक आमचे मनीस आसा ते आमचे बोटीचेर आसता.
म्हणजे स्टाफ कमी आशिल्ल्यान हेजेर नजर दवरपाक त्रास जाता काय अशें म्हणपाचें.
Reporter Pratik Parab from Akshi.
The bridegroom Krishna Mageri's family in the Nagma Sayed runaway marriage case have complained of constant death threats by the family of the bride. Krishna's house in Sarauli was reportedly ransacked twice by a group allegedly connected with the Sayed family. The Mageri family now seeks support of people from all strata of society.
The bridegroom's family in Sarauli has begun to feel insecure on the backdrop of the reported live threats they have been receiving from Zayed family. As informed by the brother-in-law of the bridegroom Krishna, their house has been ransacked by the opposite party twice. The neighbors and some of the panchayat members of Sarauli chased away the notorious groups twice. The Mageri family held a press meet and brought these happenings to light.
या सगळ्या म्हज्या हिंदू भावांक आनी भयण्या एका क्रिस्तांव बी भावांक आनी इवन मुस्लीम भाव कित्याक हे जे प्रश्न आसा तो मोगाचो प्रश्न आसा. हेका लागून कितें फाल्यां सकाळीं आमकां कितें ती अशी धमकी दिता आमकां बरें वायट कितें जालें ह्या जबाबदार ती.
मागपाक सोदता की कोणें अशें आमकां फुडें सरून हेल्प करचें. कितें आमकां अशें सतायता ती मारूंक येता. आमी चडशे एकटीच आसता. केन्ना हें घेवन येता केन्ना ते हें घेवन येता कातरी तोपा आमकां.
A reporter from Madgaon, Pratik Parab.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.